The Dyson Corrale causes less damage on the hair thanks to its copper manganese alloy plates. So to put it in simple terms, these are flexing plates. So as you can see here, when you push down, they bend ever so slightly. So this flex helps to create the perfect amount of tension and control on the hair for enhanced styling using less heat, therefore half the damage. As it's placed around the hair and creates the right amount of tension and flexes, you find that you don't lose any hair either side of the section that you take. So if you take a section like so and you gather, you won't lose any hair either side of the plate, meaning you will only need to do one pass over the hair as opposed to with the normal straightener where you take the same section a few times to get the desired result. So this also helps in causing less damage using the Dyson Corrale. So if you have any more questions on that, please feel free to comment below this video. And if there's any other demonstrations you'd like to see, you can pop a comment below the video too.